Hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be completing a quiz under classification. So here click on test your knowledge, and after clicking on that it will take us here. Now here click on open quiz. After clicking on open quiz it will take us here. Here you can see the correct answers. For the first question is false positive decrease, and the second answer is no. Third answer is recall decreases, and fourth answer is true, and the fifth answer is model A and model B perform equally well. We'll just click here to submit answer. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time, guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will help me a lot. We have scored the 4 out of 5, guys, but 4 is the passing mark, so it's no worries for us. Now here click on view profile. After clicking on view profile it will take us here. Now here we'll wait for a while, and here scroll down and see machine learning crash course classification has came here. So we have completed this batch. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do support with a like and subscribe. It will help me a lot, guys. We'll meet in the next video.